guys, how are all of you doing? So welcome to my room. I'm super excited to show you guys the space here that I have in London. But as you can see, I'm not in my room in London at the moment. I'm back at my parents' house in my old room because I've been living here the past 3 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic. For those who don't know, I'm Marlou and I live in London in a student accommodation from my university, UAL. Okay, so let me show you around, you guys. Alright, so welcome to my dorm room here in London. So when you come in, I have a coat hanger here where you have all my coats, including my hockey stuff that I have. I play hockey, you guys. Then if you go to your left, I have the door, and this is already where the bathroom is. Okay, so it's very simple, but I feel like it's very nice because I have a really nice shower here. So I have an open bathroom in my room. So I have a shower here, and then I have my toilet. I chose the colors blue because the blue color over here. So I took it with like blue beach kind of vibes. Then we get kind of a small closet, but for like first years, I think it's very nice. So we have a lot of storage here, enough space to put your clothes. Okay, and then I put a lot of memories, stuff I've done, and just like small memories that makes it feel like home, like pictures of my friends when I was younger, a few like tickets, going to a Chelsea match versus Manchester United, or going to the Mamma Mia musical, stuff like this. Polaroids I put on here, so I just like have a little memory wall. Then here we have a really huge mirror, very nicely to see if your outfit looks nice. And then you come to the best part of the room. So, and we have a huge table. We get a really nice chair with it. So my parents bought this really beautiful posters so I can see all my friends, my family, and a few memories I've had over my high school experience in this poster. It's really nice to look at when you wake up in the morning. Then I try to put a lot of memories and little parts like pictures or stuff that my friends made before leaving to London. I try to put them in the room so it makes me feel like home. And I have a bunch of fake plants. We have a few real plants, so we have some cacti in here. And here are some Polaroids I put of my friends. A little drawing that my friend made when we were on the Interrail trip. So it's really nice because all the places are on here. Really cute. So here I have some books for my studies and also just some reading books. And in here I put all my notes, my study books in here. So I work here and I have a lot of space to work. And I have all my study stuff, here some post-its, some pens. And here I have my bag and just some extra space to put stuff in. Here we have some more cupboards. So then we have my bed. At my dorm we have a 3/4 bed. And here I have another space where I can leave stuff, but I left it most for my recipe books, my yearbooks. I can always look through it again and see all my memories, and have some extra plants and decor. So I got all these cushions from IKEA, and I got most of my bedding stuff from IKEA. I got this blanket from H&M Home, which actually is super nice. They have a bunch of really nice decor. After I moved in, I didn't have a nightstand, and I felt it was really nice to have a nightstand in the room. So I have a fake plant, which was supposed to be a Christmas tree. I do not think it's a Christmas tree, but it was supposed to. And I have a little night lamp, which is from Casa as well. And this little nightstand is from Casa as well. And I usually have my books here that I'm reading, so I can read before I go to bed. The whole vibe and color in this room are like beachy, green, grayish colors in here. I have a little trash can, which is from Casa as well. Again, the green and white, which I went for, the colors. And yeah, I think I explained most of it, so this is my room. Okay, so now we're gonna enter the kitchen. So here we live with 8 people, so we would all have our own cupboards, have our food here, we would cook, sometimes eat dinner here. The TV, we have a flat screen in this kitchen. We would sit here and watch TV, and or perhaps like put a laptop here and watch a movie together on this bench, just hang out and chat. So these are our fridges. So we would each have like one floor in the freezer and two or one floor in the fridge. We'd have 2 microwaves, 2 ovens. We had a toaster as well, we were giving that. And so here I had all of this. So I would keep my food in here, my pasta, my sauce and everything. It's super packed because it's not, we didn't get a lot of space. Then I had all my pans and plates and everything. So we would have a view of Camberwell and the Camberwell College over here. And yeah. I think it's very nice to, if you move into a new dorm, that you have a bunch of memories and pictures that you take with you. A little like interior that makes it feel cozy. So I have a bunch of fairy lights as well. So at night I would put those on, which made it really feel like home and cozy. It's very important that you feel like this is your home, because when I first came in here and I saw nothing in here, I literally almost got a heart attack because of course the interior is very boring. So it's really important that you do take some pictures with you, some really nice decor to make it all cozy and feel like home. So yeah, this is my room. I really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah.